Hello everyone! May this day be a step towards fulfilling your most cherished dreams. And always remember the impossibility of yesterday is a possibility today. Greetings to Lecturer Mechanical Computer Aided Design MCAD Sir Ahmad Afiq bin Tarmizi Ghazali. Hi, my name is Wong Vuyi. My metric number is 07 DKM3A and these are my teammates. Reina Daniel 07 DKM3A, Alvin Chiu 07 DKM21F1039 and Wesley Dim 07 DKM21F1017. It's our pleasant duty to bid you all a genial welcome. First and foremost, we know that with the help of MCAD knowledge, we can increase our cognitive ability, aka brain power. Have you guys ever wondered what is the benefit of MCAD? Well, come and join us in this full presentation because our goal is to help everyone have a little introduction on Autodesk Inventor, and we really hope this knowledge may help in future engineering field. Without any further ado, let's start. Autodesk Inventor is a computer-aided design application for 3D mechanical design, simulation, visualization, and documentation developed by Autodesk. Inventor allows 2D and 3D data integration in a single environment, creating a virtual representation of the final product that enables users to validate the form, fit, and function of the product before it is ever built. Furthermore, the objective on MCAD is to use Autodesk Inventor for daily working process, understand the concept and technique to design a 3D model, create multiple designs using several of tools, understand how to assemble parts by parts, and understand how to work plan on XYZ axis.
My name is Reina Daniel and my matrix number is 70DKM21F1013.
Hi everyone, my name is Alvin Chiu. I'm from DKM3A. My metric number is 07DKM21F1039.
And I will continue the present, which is blade bottom. Blade bottom is the thing that spin the blade and also the thing that hold the blade body.
There are 3 parts of blender head on our blender. Each part has their own dimensions, and the blender head works as the closure to the top of blender to prevent the foot from splitting around when blending the foot.
After that, blade head lock. The blade head lock is the thing that lock the blade from being open when it's spinning in high speed. And then the blade regulator. Blade regulator is the one button that adjusts whether the blade spin is clockwise or anti-clockwise depending the user control. After that is blade. Blade is the main thing in Blender that grind and cut off things in high speed.
Jug. This jug is the place where all food or substance is mixed. Additionally, screw. This screw is to bolt the other part to other part so that it's safe. After that is plug area. This plug area is to connect output cable to input cable.
Blender body additional bottom. The blender body additional bottom is an extra space to put things in, such as chili, or whether it's food or juice powder, anything that's fit inside. And after that, which is blender body supports. The blender body supports is the thing that holds blade bottom and jug in one place. It is also placed on top of blender body and connected around it with screw. After that, blender body. Blender body is the where all the main part from the blender is stored, such as button, blade regulator, socket, and the additional bottom stored in.
Moreover, button. This button is give us higher control over consistencies and variety of options and results. Then, jug bottom. This jug bottom is to secure the blending assembly to the bottom of your blender jug. Lastly is temper. Temper is allow you to quickly step in and push ingredients down into the blending vortex to achieve best consistency. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Socket head. What is function of socket head? Okay, socket head are used to adapt a drive size of a socket for use with a range with a different drive size. For example, a socket head can be used to adapt a socket with a 1/4 square drive for use with a range with a 3/8 square drive. Socket extension are used to extend the reach of a socket. Socket connector function is a socket connector is an electromechanical device used to create an electrical connection between parts of an electrical circuit or between different electrical circuits, thereby joining them into a large circuit. Meanwhile, socket wire function is an electrical cable is an assembly of one or more wires running side by side or bundle, which is used to carry electrical current. Three types of wire used are firstly, live wire, which is on red color, second, neutral wire, which is on black color, and lastly, earth wire, which is on green color. A drawing which displays the parts of a blender or a blender unit assembled in their relative working position is known as assembly drawing. Next, assembly drawing. As you can see, this is what our blender look like after all of the parts were attached, and this is what we call assembly drawing. These components are fabricated separately and are assembled or installed together. You also can see the front view, side view, and the bottom view of our blender in the assembly drawing. A little explanation for exploded view is describe assemblies by moving component out from their assembled position. We can use exploded view to balloon an assembly using item numbers found in parts. We can create exploded view by using a combination of assembly, which is IAM, presentation, which is IPN, and drawing, which is IDW or DWG files. View assembly is created in the presentation view and the components are repositioned in the view. As you can see on the exploded view, there are balloons that indicate which part that number like on the part list. For example, the first one is blender body, second is blender additional bottom, third is blender body support, fourth is button, fifth is plug area, sixth is screw, seventh is jug bottom. 8 is blade regulator, 9 is blade bottom, 10 is blade, 11 is jug, 12 is blender head part 1, 13 is blender head part 2, 14 is blender head part 3, 15 is blade headlock, 16 is temper, 17 is socket wire, 18 is socket connector, and lastly 19 is socket head. It also has the quantity of the parts. For example, screw has 10 quantity in total at the bottom of the jug. Blade has 2 quantity inside of the jug, and the other parts there is only 1 quantity part for each.
We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before. Before you go, you ought to know I won't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. I can't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Now we cruising in the wind. She just couldn't wait to get out. She texting all of her friends, like look at the whip that we in. We coolin' for the weekend. Drop the top and then we out. We do this every season. Sun shades on the sunny days. Doing 80 and we switching lanes. Just keep it cool and chillin' with the babe. Don't call my phone, I hear what you say. Oh, what you say. We ain't gotta keep this on the low. Don't do it fast, we can take it slow. Show you things that you ain't seen before you go, you ought to know. I won't be catching feelings, but she got me catching feelings. I can't be catching feelings.
Since a picture is worth 1,000 words, for the moment we arrive at the end of this course, clearly AutoCAD not end there. There would be lots more to explain more about the design in two-dimensional. But what about the basic function of the program? We have already treated several topics on which you have to practice a lot, and once you master, you will be able to create and print your designs using this program. Practice a lot with the commands you have learned. Try then to create something more elaborate, such as plan, a furnished room, or a technical drawing according to your preference and needs. You can draw in AutoCAD just about anything. When you start the design, attempts to draw the tables that are easy to understand and generally follow the rules that use hand drawing. With this knowledge, I hope to have transmitted the use of basic commands, through the combination of which will acquire the ability to put into digital form what in theory would be able to draw on paper, but using the advantages that the use of the computer makes available to us. From this starting point, you can deepen more the potential of AutoCAD and manage even very complex design, and then perhaps move to 3D design and three-dimensional graphics. Well, I guess time has reached the end. That is all from us. Thank you for lending us your precious ears, and we strongly believe that everyone have a great understanding on our presentation and how to apply mechanical computer-aided design in mechanical engineering field. Thank you so much.